Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about
Oh my
Uber
God.
taking a page from
Because
Lyft.
you
with
guys
the
are children, man. Children. Fuck.
Well, let's move on. So
Okay.
yeah, you're getting some emails now and notifications coming from Uber instead of Lyft.
This
We
one,
talked about
the big
Lyft
tree.
always sends the one with cancellation notice, and
Big
now
tree
Uber is doing the same
following the
thing. But the
little
difference
tree.
is, it is in your app. You can't escape it.
Okay, look at this, Chris. I sent this to Uber yesterday. I have a few. This is the big tree going the little tree way. We're trying to fix it at Lyft that none of this passive aggressive bullshit goes out. You know who you are at Lyft. This guy gets a message in his app. Our cancellation policy, provoking riders to cancel or accepting trips without the intention to complete them, may frustrate your rider and be against our community guidelines. Whose fucking community are you talking about, Uber? Who made you the king of the community? There is no community. He's like, whatever, hocus pocus, take shots, people. But look at this guy. How is this guy getting this message, Uber? 100% acceptance rate, 0% cancellation rate. And this algo, the AI bullshit, automated cut and paste garbage, sends this poor guy, and he panicked. He emails me, Sergio, are they going to deactivate me? I'm looking at his numbers. I go, if they deactivate you, this should be like the biggest lawsuit on the planet. How's this guy getting this, Uber? You know, we're trying to fix it at Lyft, not to send these passive aggressive bullshit emails. How's this? I mean, I told the guy ignore it, you know, but the guy probably losing sleep over it. You know,
I know.
I mean,
And you want to talk about mental health and things like that? I mean, this is the biggest problem right here.
How? You got it too?
No.
Oh, how is this happening? How is this happening? Anyway, so if you do get this, please ignore it. Please ignore it. You know what I mean? Just ignore it. And you know, Lyft is trying to refrain themselves from sending. You know how they say, "Oh, your account has been flagged for, you know, bad service because I canceled a couple of times. Cancellation rehab school, sir, for you." I go like, anyway, but I mean, this guy is the poster child of a perfect driver, 100 and Uber sends him the message saying, "Hey, do you think this guy calls the rider and says, hey, you know, I'm gonna, how far are you or whatever, in case he's in a city that doesn't have upfront, right?" I don't get it, bro. That's and then when the government gets involved, they all get in a tizzy. They go like, "Oh," I'm like, "Yeah, this is treating your driver like an employee. How is this treating your driver like an independent contractor? A perfect driver, whatever." Anyway, so how's it going to ignore them? They deactivate him. Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure I'll get an email.
You know,
No,
just like
yeah,
the
okay.
2023 Toyota Sienna, let's hope that this is a glitch and went
Yes,
out.
that's
But
definitely
again,
hopefully.
these things need to be better handled so they don't go out.
I talked to the guy. I talked to the driver. The guy goes, "Serge, I'm like 73, retired. Do you think I'm playing these kind of games? I'm just out here trying to make a couple $100. I understand it was some shyster like me, probably, but not this guy. Okay, so I vetted this. But anyway, so Uber, don't go to the little tree. Just stay where you are.
I don't know, but either way, yeah, even if this is like something that was a glitch, it needs to be
Yeah.
better handled from these things going out, especially,
I don't
you know, it's
care.
going to cause people
I
to
don't
have, you know, some severe issues and anxiety, and they're going to feel like they're, doing something wrong, and yet the numbers show right there that nothing's wrong. I mean, just the mental health toll that can take. You got to do better care at that. That's absolutely ridiculous, unacceptable.
Depends.
Actually,
Depends
you know
what
what?
time of the day and what day. And the weekend.
Honestly,
Yeah.
what I think they need to do, they need to pay that driver $100 extra. They need to give him a nice $100 extra and say, "I'm sorry,
AR, zero CR.
yeah,
100 AR,
I'm sorry
zero
for the pain and anguish that this caused you. It should have
Or
never gone
emotional
out. Here's an extra $100. We love you as a driver. Please keep it up. You're doing fantastic because you're a 100 acceptance rate driver. You're the perfect aunt. Thank you very much."
And then
Especially
somebody will call from Uber now, scam this guy now. You know what I mean? Not from Uber.
Well,
Now it's like a scammer will see this show now. They go, oh yeah, this guy empty his
they're not.
bank
Yeah, but
account.
they're not going to be able to. How are they going to be
Yeah,
able to
so
contact them?
Whoever
So-
you were, please don't answer the phone call from Uber. The Uber doesn't call you. But yeah,
Either
I
way,
don't know.
$100 should show up in that driver's account for any pain
agree.
and anguish that he's had, and
agree.
I think that's fair.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.